What's going on, guys? Thomas Garrett's here, back with your daily dose of Floki, and today I'm back with a second video. And like I said in my last video here, this is just the Twitter post, but Valhalla, the BattleNet testnet is going live. It should be live by the time you're watching this video, actually, but I'm gonna do a full step-by-step walkthrough of basically how to sign up, apply, and get your testnet tokens and all of that. So in this video, I actually said I was going to create this tutorial, and shout out to Pink Shark. I'll put a picture of her Twitter up, but she kind of helped me understand everything that needs to go down for this process. So I should have it all figured out, but obviously I've never done it before, so we're both going to do it at the same time. So I suggest just taking your time. If you get confused, just pause the video, rewind, or just take it slow. You know, if you have questions, put it in the comments down below. But before we start, there are two things that are non-negotiable that you need to even be a part of this, okay? So first of all, you need to use MetaMask, and you have to have a Twitter account, all right? That's just non-negotiable. You need those for this process, okay? Now, step one is going to the application page. So basically, if you want to be a beta tester, you have to apply. And it says right here, please fill this form if you want to apply as a beta tester or as a tester of the Valhalla prototype of the Battle Arena. So basically, they're not just allowing everyone to start as a tester. You have to apply, and then they'll release testers into the game in batches. And the testing will happen on the Optimistic Kovan testnet. And I'll show you how to set all that up again. But just so you know, priority on admission in early batches depend on if you own any of the NFTs or like if you're a professional tester, etc. Okay, that doesn't mean you won't get accepted, but that's who they're accepting first. Okay, so start out by putting your email right here. Okay, so my email, and then I would just put your Twitter username. Just I don't know, that's what I'm gonna do. So Thomas Garrett's. Why do you want to join Valhalla as a tester? I'm creating a tutorial. Okay, obviously you wouldn't, unless that's what you're actually doing. If you're creating tutorials, write that. But maybe you really like video games, or you're a professional gamer, or you want to stream it or test it, whatever it is, you know, just write why you want to join. Okay, now if you have any of these NFTs, you can also buy them if you don't, but you would just check whichever ones you have, and they have to be in the wallet, in the MetaMask wallet that you're using, okay? So you would hit whatever one you have. I don't have any on this test account, but then you're gonna go up to your MetaMask up here, and you're gonna copy your address, and then you're gonna paste in your MetaMask wallet address right there, okay? So again, MetaMask wallet required, and this is the address you're gonna be using. All right. Now, if the provided address does not own a Genesis and or Flokitar NFT, provide the address that has these NFTs below. Only applicable if your NFT is not on the same address. So I guess technically you can have it in a different address, but it's going to be easier. Obviously, it's all on the same address, but that's where you would put your wallet if the NFT is not on the same address as that one. Okay. But then right here, in order to prove the ownership of the address provided, go to this link right here, okay? And by the way, the link to this actual page is gonna be in the description below. I'll have the steps laid out, all the links, all of that, okay? So then on this page right here, it says we're gonna connect our wallet. Double check the URL, okay? You always wanna double check it. So it's app.mycrypto.com/sign-message. And as you can see, app.mycrypto.com/sign-message. So we're on the right URL, okay? Now what you wanna do is you wanna connect your MetaMask wallet. So you click right here, connect to MetaMask, all right? Then you just go right here, next, connect. And then you go back here. So then it says, for 3, type Floki to Valhalla in the signing box. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that, paste it in here. And then I believe it says sign the message. Okay, so now we sign the message, and you just hit yes, sign. And then what you're going to do is take this entire signature here, copy it, and then just paste it right here. And there you go. So it looks the same. It looks good. That's the right address, I believe. Yeah. Okay. So then here it says, if applicable, explain why you should be eligible for the special criteria to get fast-tracked testing. So, I mean, again, put whatever sets you apart from someone else, or maybe you have those NFTs or whatever it is. Professional gamer, you want to make tutorials, whatever it is, put that there. I'm creating a tutorial. I'm just doing that for example. Obviously, you would not put the same thing in both spots, okay? Are you in a guild? If yes, please list the name of your guild. So if you're in the Telegram, link in the description, then you may be in a guild, right? There's a few that are being created or have been created. So talk to the other members and see if you want to join or if you can join. I'm not in one, so I'm just going to put no. And then you hit submit, okay? Now our application is done. All right, now we're on to step 2, where we have to go to this website right here. It's faucet.paradigm.xyz. Again, this link is in the description below. All the steps are laid out, okay? Now, you have to sign in with your Twitter right here, okay? So I'm gonna do that quick. You authorize app, and there you go. Okay, so now, again, you are going to put in your MetaMask address, all right? You see I'm on the Binance chain right now, but it's the same address even for Ethereum, just so you know, so it doesn't matter. So you just paste your address in there. But what you want to do before you do that, you want to make sure to click this little box here and put the check there that says drip on additional networks, okay? Now, you can do this in any order. I'm just going to claim it first, but you want to add this network to MetaMask. You can do that first or claim the tokens first. It doesn't matter. I just wanted to say that in case you do it backwards or however you want to do it. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to do it like this and hit claim. And tokens already claimed. All right. So it says tokens dispensed. Check balances shortly. Now, what you want to do is this Optimistic Kovan right here. So basically, I believe you can just hit add to MetaMask right here and it will add the network. I've never tried this on this website, but let's just click right here and I'll let you know if it works. So we'll hit add to MetaMask. So for some reason it says the network details for this do not match our records, but I think it's all good. So we'll just hit approve here and then hit switch network. Okay. So yeah, there it is. You have your ETH on Optimistic Kovan and the network is added. Now, if for some reason that's not working for you for whatever reason, okay, I will add the details. So for example, if you've never added a network on MetaMask, you would just go right here to expand view. It's just easier that way. But then you go up here to settings and in networks right here, this is where the networks show up. You would just hit add a network and then all of this information right here, I will add in the description below. Okay, so if you want to do it manually, all of that information will be added in the description. All right, but yeah, so that's pretty much everything. I'm not exactly sure how you'll know if you've been approved, probably via email since you gave them your email. So just keep an eye out in your email. I'll also update you on Twitter at Thomas Garretts. Follow me there. And in the comment below, if an update comes out since posting this, I will put it in the pinned comment. Okay. So again, if you got confused at any point, just rewind, slow it down, rewatch it. And if you have any questions, put it in the comments down below. Oh, one other thing I do want to say is, where is it? So right here, you can see your Twitter account needs to have at least 1 tweet and 15 followers. Okay, so if you have no followers on Twitter, just start commenting your Twitter username in the comments below, and that way people can start following each other. So just make sure if you comment your username below, follow someone else at least, or follow 2 people. So if you don't have followers, put your Twitter handle in the description or in the comments below, and hopefully that helps you guys out. But yeah, that's all I got. I love you guys. See you on the next video.